If you are looking for the best screwdriver set, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. DEWALT DW2166 Screwdriver Bit Set. With its compact yet sturdy storage box and wide range of heads, DEWALT's 45-piece snap-on screwdriver set is a great value for the money. It comes with 40 interchangeable bits, including 12 double-ended bits, giving you a set of 54 total tips in varying sizes. This product comes with a variety of square, slotted and Phillips tips, all of which are easy to secure into the screwdriver with DEWALT's magnetic drive guide technology. Made from hardened steel and crafted with DEWALT's world-renowned quality, this set is an investment that will last for years. Number 2. XOOL 80-in-1 Precision Set. Whether it's electronic devices like cell phones, laptops, and game consoles or delicate items like watches, eyeglasses, and jewelry, the XOOL 80-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set has the perfect tool for you. Its 56 different bits, all made of CRV steel, accommodate a wide variety of screw shapes and sizes. And wrapped up in a convenient carrying case, makes it easy to carry. The screwdriver itself is equipped with a magnetic tip, useful for both pulling screws out and for lining them up with the hole, and the flexible extension rod allows you to adjust the length of the screwdriver. Number 3. Klein 11-in-1 Screwdriver and Nut Driver. As opposed to larger bit sets, with dozens of little pieces apt to go missing or take up space, the Klein 11-in-1 is a single, compact screwdriver that is easy to store and even easier to use. It holds 8 popular tips, including Phillips, slotted and Torx, as well as 3 different nut drivers. Each tip is heat-treated and industrial strength, although one drawback is that the tips aren't magnetized, and the cushion grip handle allows for excellent torque and comfort. Number 4. ORIA Precision Screwdriver Kit. For all of your on-the-go screwdriver needs, the ORIA Precision Screwdriver Set is a plentiful, versatile, and even mildly overwhelming choice. As a 60-in-1 set, you're spoiled for choice, with tools suitable for repairing laptops, phones, consoles, and more. The unique non-slip driver gives you the control you need for the really fiddly parts, while the magnetic kit keeps screws and other bits right where you left them. There's also a flexible shaft which is ideal for working on larger projects and provides further versatility for all your home gadget repair needs. Number 5. Craftsman 931794 Slotted Phillips Screwdriver Set. This is very well priced without budging on quality and is a great starter set for anyone who just wants a good set of screwdrivers for general household tasks. The screwdrivers come in a variety of sizes to cover most jobs. The screwdriver handles are made out of butyrate for durability and strength. The screwdriver shaft is attached directly to the handle and is not detachable. The handles are designed to feel balanced in the hand. The blades are treated with heat to make them extra strong and minimize the risk of snapping. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.